Imagine a quiet winter day where the ground is blanketed in snow and the air feels crisp and calm. I started this painting with the soft white and blue background, blending different textures to capture the snowy landscape. On the right side, I painted three bare trees, their branches dusted with snow, standing tall against the icy backdrop. On the left, a tree fully covered in snow added a cozy, magical contrast to the scene. With the different basic colors and simple strokes, this peaceful winter wonderland comes to life. It's a story of nature in its quiet beauty, and you can recreate it too. Let's paint these scenes together. So grab your brush and let's get started. Perfect for adding seasonal touch to your art collection. Thank you.